This car has a diamond-encrusted steering wheel, and today we are diving into the world of unimaginable automotive luxury where engineering brilliance meets the extravagance of pure opulence. And as we begin this journey, you must imagine yourself not just sitting inside a car but entering into a world where every single detail has been handcrafted with perfection, precision, and passion, starting with the star of the show. A steering wheel that glitters with hundreds of meticulously cut diamonds embedded seamlessly into its surface, creating an aura of royalty and sophistication that transforms the act of driving from a routine necessity into an experience of luxury and power. Because this isn't just a car, it's a rolling statement of success, taste, and wealth, one that separates the ordinary from the extraordinary. And as we explore this car, we'll uncover the story of how this diamond-encrusted steering wheel was made, the craftsmanship involved, the value of the gems, the intricate design process, and how only a select few in the world can ever dream of owning something like this, since the steering wheel itself costs more than most luxury cars combined. Yet for the ultra-rich, it is not about price, but about rarity, uniqueness, and the feeling of exclusivity that comes with holding pure diamonds in your hands every time you drive. And beyond the dazzling steering wheel lies a car designed to be a piece of art on wheels, with hand-stitched leather interiors. Imported from the finest tanneries, with veneers carved from rare forests, gold-plated accents on the dashboard and controls, and technology that merges seamlessly with beauty, offering not just luxury but also unmatched innovation. And while some may question why anyone would embed diamonds into a steering wheel, for the elite few who commission such masterpieces, the answer is simple. It is about creating a bespoke automobile that reflects their personality, their taste, and their ability to own what no one else can. And when you place your hands on that sparkling diamond surface, you are not just steering a machine, you are holding history, craftsmanship, and luxury in its purest form. Because every diamond has been hand-selected for clarity, brilliance, and perfection, each one mounted by expert jewelers who usually craft pieces for royal crowns, not automobiles. And that is where the uniqueness of this car lies, in bringing together two worlds that rarely meet, the world of fine jewelry and the world of high-performance luxury cars. And this fusion creates something that is both functional and ornamental, something that is not just meant to be driven but to be admired, celebrated, and even envied. And as we dig deeper into the history of diamond-encrusted automotive interiors, we discover that this trend is not entirely new but has been reserved for the rarest bespoke commissions for billionaires, royalty, and celebrities who desire something that no production car could ever offer. Because when money is no object, the possibilities are endless, from diamond dashboards to gold gear shifters, but nothing stands out quite like a steering wheel covered in sparkling gems, since it is the one element you touch the most, making every drive a reminder of sheer extravagance. And imagine driving at night as the headlights from oncoming traffic catch the diamonds on the wheel, creating a mesmerizing sparkle that fills the cabin with glimmers of light like stars inside your car, reminding you that luxury is not just about speed or power, it is about creating experiences that leave lasting impressions. And yet the car itself doesn't compromise on performance. Under the hood lies a powerful engine tuned to perfection, delivering acceleration that makes this luxury jewel a beast on the road. Because what's the point of looking like royalty if you can't feel like one on the highway? So you get a driving experience that combines brute force with gentle elegance, much like wearing a diamond-studded watch that also tells time with absolute precision. And for those who want exclusivity, this car is not mass-produced, it is built on special order only, with each client having the ability to customize not only the placement of diamonds but also the type of precious stones used, meaning you could opt for white diamonds, rare pink diamonds, or even a mix of rubies, emeralds, and sapphires if you wanted your steering wheel to look like a crown jewel. And all of this is protected by state-of-the-art security systems, because owning a diamond steering wheel means protecting it is as important as enjoying it. So fingerprint scanners, hidden immobilizers, and armored body panels ensure that this treasure on wheels remains safe at all times. But what fascinates car enthusiasts and jewelers alike is how seamlessly the diamonds integrate into the steering wheel design, with ergonomic shaping that ensures comfort is never sacrificed for beauty. Meaning you can grip it firmly and drive confidently without ever feeling the discomfort of sharp edges, because every gemstone is cut and polished to perfection before being flush set into the wheel, creating a smooth surface that feels luxurious to the touch while still offering that breathtaking sparkle. And then comes the price. Though never officially revealed, estimates place this diamond-encrusted steering wheel car in the multi-million-dollar range, easily rivaling the cost of luxury villas, private jets, and yachts. Yet for the elite clientele who purchase such vehicles, money is not a question. It is about making a statement, about owning something that cannot be replicated, something so unique that even among billionaires it sparks conversations, admiration, and a hint of envy. And that is what luxury at this level is all about. It is not just transportation, it is identity, it is legacy, it is artistry turned into mobility. And in today's world where personalization is key, nothing speaks louder than a diamond steering wheel in your car, telling the world you are not just rich but rare, not just successful but extraordinary. And as we wrap up this journey, remember that while most of us may never get the chance to hold such a steering wheel, let alone drive a car with one, we can still admire the sheer creativity, craftsmanship, and passion that goes into making such a masterpiece. Because cars like these remind us that the limits of luxury are constantly being redefined, that imagination combined with wealth can produce wonders, and that somewhere in the world right now, someone is gripping a diamond-studded steering wheel, living the dream that only a handful of people on this planet will ever experience, proving once again that when it comes to cars, the line between transportation and art is thinner than ever. And this car, with its diamond-encrusted steering wheel, is the shining example of that truth.